Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It's February the 6th, 2025, coming to you from mobile headquarters. And you know what today is? I met Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 exactly 49 years ago today. Oh, February 6th, 2025 is my 49th year of knowing Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99. What an evening that was on February the 6th, 49 years ago. Love at first sight. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 means the world to me. And she's a great friend, confidant, inspires me, encourages me, challenges me. And she's a grandmother to just sweet children that are growing up, and we're so proud of each and every one of them. Again, we've got 3 kids, and yeah. Anyhow, so one more time, 49 years ago, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I fell in love. It was love at first sight. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And love you all. Bye-bye.